Every close relationship has moments that raise questions we rarely ask out loud. During physical intimacy, many people focus only on what can be seen from the outside. Yet beneath the surface, the human body and brain are carrying out an incredibly complex series of biological and emotional processes that most of us never learn about. Have you ever wondered what is actually happening inside the body during those deeply personal moments? Not the myths, assumptions, or movie versions, but the real science. What changes occur in the brain? How does the nervous system respond? And why do emotions have such a powerful influence on physical experience? These are questions that countless people have asked, yet very few have ever received clear, evidence-based answers. In today's video, we're going to explore the fascinating biology and psychology behind human intimacy. We'll look at how the brain, hormones, nervous system, and emotions work together during close physical connection, and why understanding these processes can lead to healthier communication, greater empathy, and stronger relationships. This isn't about sensational claims or unrealistic advice. It's about understanding the remarkable ways the human body functions when emotional trust and physical closeness come together. If you enjoy learning about psychology, neuroscience, human biology, and relationship science, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Every week we explore research-backed topics that help you better understand yourself and the people around you. Let's begin with one of the biggest misconceptions. Many people assume that physical intimacy starts when two partners become physically close. In reality, the biological process begins much earlier. The first changes don't occur in the body. They begin inside the brain. When a person feels emotionally safe, genuinely comfortable, and connected with their partner, the parasympathetic nervous system becomes increasingly active. Often referred to as the body's rest and restore system, it encourages relaxation, openness, and emotional security. As this system activates, blood flow gradually increases to intimate tissues, preparing the body for physical closeness. Rather than happening all at once, this process unfolds in carefully coordinated stages, with each response supporting the next. You can think of it like a series of switches turning on one after another. Each biological system prepares the conditions for the next stage, creating an environment where intimacy feels comfortable rather than stressful. One important point that science consistently highlights is that this process follows its own natural timing. Trying to rush it doesn't simply speed things up. It can interfere with the body's normal physiological responses. As circulation increases, highly sensitive erectile tissues become more responsive, significantly increasing sensitivity throughout the surrounding area. At the same time, natural lubrication develops through increased blood flow within the vaginal walls, creating greater comfort during intimacy. None of these responses are conscious decisions. They are automatic biological reactions directed by the brain once it recognizes emotional comfort and physical readiness. Another remarkable adaptation also takes place. The upper portion of the vaginal canal gradually expands, while surrounding muscles begin relaxing. These changes allow the body to become more comfortable during intimacy, but they depend heavily on emotional relaxation as well as physical readiness. This is why feelings of stress, anxiety, fear, or emotional distance can noticeably influence physical comfort. The nervous system constantly evaluates whether a situation feels safe. Only when that sense of safety is present can the body fully complete its natural preparation process. For many people, these biological responses develop gradually over several minutes rather than instantly. Hormonal changes associated with aging may extend this process even further, making patience, communication, and emotional connection increasingly important throughout adulthood. Modern neuroscience also reminds us that intimacy is never purely physical. During emotionally meaningful experiences, the brain releases several important neurotransmitters and hormones, including dopamine, oxytocin, and endorphins. These chemicals contribute to feelings of pleasure, emotional bonding, trust, relaxation, and overall well-being. This helps explain why two experiences that appear physically similar can feel emotionally very different. The difference often isn't found in physical actions alone. It's found in the emotional environment surrounding them. Researchers continue to discover that communication, mutual trust, emotional presence, and genuine affection all influence how the brain processes intimate experiences. In other words, the mind and body are never working separately. They function as one integrated system. Understanding this doesn't simply improve knowledge of human biology. It helps build healthier relationships by encouraging empathy, patience, and greater awareness of how emotional and physical experiences influence one another. And perhaps that's the most valuable lesson of all. The science of intimacy isn't really about performance. It's about connection.